margaritas did I have? What am I doing here?
Welcome to the Secret Intelligence Agency.com.
I asked you about your mother.
Encrypted message. Incoming. Decryption sequence. Running.
I've broken every moral and ethical rule there is for a psychiatrist. What is it? Secret agent stuff? I have top security clearance, you know. I understand you need to pass this evaluation, but I feel the only professional thing to do is to terminate this relationship.
So, same time next week, eh, Doc?
Okay.
You can let yourself out, honey.
So what do you know about this guy?
Agent Zero? He's the lowest ranking agent in the entire federal government. File says he's got attention deficit disorder and dyslexia. Joke is he's Agent Zero because that's the score he got in his last evaluation.
How does he stay in?
Director Hobart won't say, but little Bird's been telling me that he's been sleeping with someone on the Senate Intelligence Committee.
He's gay?
A female senator. Only 2 sit on the committee, and 1's from California. Supposedly she won't vote for the budget unless we have this one guy in Los Angeles.
Son of a bitch.
Plus his arrest record's pretty good. Control doesn't use him much, though.
That figures. We're down to 1 agent in L.A., and there isn't enough for him to do.
Here's our man. Agent Zero, over here. Agent Zero, we finally meet. I'm Agent Clean. I've heard a lot about you.
Who hasn't?
Agent Zero, this is Agent Driver.
Welcome to Los Angeles, boys. I'm glad they finally sent someone out my way. I was beginning to think Director Hobart had forgotten all about me.
Oh, no. He hasn't forgotten. I've seen in your file that you're an excellent marksman. Standard issue tranquilizer rifle. Assembly required. 2 projectiles. I'm sure you'll only need 1. Agent Zero, meet Seamus McGregor, a.k.a. the Bird. He's a member of a Scottish separatist splinter group. But mostly he's a mid-level arms dealer who sells to anyone willing to pay his price.
Dirty, stinking bastard.
If you hold up in a safe house near here, intel has it he's going to make the drop at a North Korean consulate this AM. We think he'll be walking it in to make it less conspicuous.
What?
You knock him down, we pick him up. We want the Bird and the package he's carrying.
The old 72 from the SIA playbook, huh, boys? God, I love being a secret agent.
Zero, the 72 is Cloak and Dagger. This is the old 74, Snatch and Grab.
I thought the 69 was the snatch and grab.
No, the 69's the gender bender, with the surprise ending.
No, actually, that's the 68.
I've seen enough.
Look, nothing fancy here. Just stick a dart in him, we'll grab him, and I'll be home in time for an Orioles game.
Here's a security code for the building. What are you doing that for?
It's right here.
I'll take it.
Let's move.
He's having some difficulty with the front door.
Let me see those.
Hey, what was that code number again?
Just a second, pigeon shooter. The code is 5370.
5,
3,
3.
7, 0.
Right here.
Not you, the code.
What code?
The code to the building, you idiot.
I'm in. This is Agent Dash Zero. Location acquired.
Attention, pigeon shooter. Standard radio protocol. Repeat, standard radio protocol. Code names only. Birdwatcher out.
Roger that, Birdwatcher. Proceeding to assembly. 0 out. Make that pigeon shooter out.
Nice and easy, pigeon shooter. You got plenty of time.
Hey now. Wow.
How you coming along, pigeon shooter?
Whoa.
What is he looking at? What the? Pigeon shooter!
0 here. I mean, pigeon shooter here.
Listen closely, pigeon shooter. I will abort this mission if you do not put your head back in the game. Now resume preparation without further delay. Do you read me?
Hey, alright. Ha 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 ha. Instructions, instructions.
Wasn't enough of all the stories. I had to witness it myself. Boy, oh boy.
The bird is flowing the coop.
Pigeon shooter, the bird is flowing the coop. I repeat, the bird is flowing the coop. What is your status? Pigeon shooter?
Yeah. Pigeon shooter ready.
You may fire when ready.
We got a grazer.
Pigeon shooter, hold your fire. We've got a grazer on the range. We've got a grazer on the range.
Excuse me, lad. Hey, your bathrobe's tucked into your undies.
Scottish pervert.
We're clear.
Pigeon shooter, you're clear to fire. I repeat, clear to fire.
Got a grazer down.
Pigeon shooter, what the hell are you doing up there? Pigeon shooter, why have you left the perch?
That's not good.
0!
Federal agents, It's a national emergency, and I need to use your apartment.
Well, who are you? CIA? FBI?
Wussies.
Well, shouldn't you have a badge or something?
I'm from the SIA, otherwise known as the Secret Intelligence Agency.
Well, I've never heard of it.
That's because it's a secret. Now, where do you keep your weapons?
I don't have any weapons.
Pigeon shooter, the damn bird's getting away.
Look, I've got the bird. Just give me a second. Okay, what do you got? Bird watcher, this is Pigeon shooter. Stupid, huh? We want this guy alive, right?
Of course we want him alive. If we wanted him dead, we wouldn't have given you the tranq rifle, now would we?
Think, gas, think! Oh, there's nothing! Of course! Be there, be there. Bingo.
Shoot the mother, Zero!
What are you doing?
Pigeon shooter.
There he is.
What's he holding?
Looks like a water balloon.
Go, go, go! Girl, upsy daisy. We got it. Pigeon shooter, this is Bird Watcher. The bird is in the cage. The package is secure. Repeat, the bird in cage, package secure.
Roger that, bird watcher. And like I always say, a bird in the hand, and then something else.
That's an affirmative. Bird in the hand. You know, Pigeon shooter, your methods are a bit unconventional, but I gotta admit I like your style.
Everywhere you go. Look, man, I respect your right to do whatever it is you gotta do. I mean, it is America, huh? You know, it's what we're fighting for. But I gotta tell you, I only do it with chicks. You dig?
Never mind, Pigeon shooter. Set rendezvous point for the aviary. We'll debrief there. You know the aviary I'm talking about, right? It's the one that looks like the federal building.
Roger that, bird watcher. Give me 5 minutes to wrap things up here, then I'm on my way.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Correction. Make that 6 minutes.
6 minutes it is, Pigeon shooter. Bird watcher out.
Who are you?
I'm Dash Zero, secret agent. And on behalf of the United States government, I would like to thank you personally for your service.
Anything for my country.